Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Audi A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, fog lights, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, heated front seats, compass, security system, panic alarm, power moonroof, leather seats, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.